Alright, here's the original 1970 Datsun 521 bench seat. Obviously, it looks like the bottom has been reupholstered in some kind of like jean denim fabric. Mechanically, it works fine. Looks pretty good in the back. Oh, on the bottom, the seat adjuster does work. I've actually slid it around forward and back. The lights on, yeah. Should bring it outside. So the brackets work fine. It looks like the top unbolts. Looks like if I take that one bolt out, it'll pivot off, so I could actually box it into two separate boxes. See, the adjuster works fine. It's 42 or 43 pounds without a box. I just weighed it. So I'd have to try to find a box if I gotta ship it. I think it's all original except for the brown, the blue denim.